So welcome back to Forex Pros, where we do daily analysis of gold, Bitcoin and GBPUSD to understand the trading opportunities that we'll be finding today. So in the yesterday's analysis, we did predicted that the market was now going to turn slow because the market was not able to break the daily high. So let's see right now what's the situation in the gold market, because for a few days I think we're going to be in a range bound, and let's see how can we earn from this range bound. So without any further delay, let's get to the market. And let me move myself down here in the corner so you could see myself along with the screen. So first of all, as you can see, the reason why I predicted that the market was now going to be slow, because the market was not able to break this high in the previous daily candle, this red candle. And even yesterday the market, as we can see, was not able to break above it. Yes, the body was a bit above, closed a bit above, but still it did not close above the high. So right now we're in a range bound, and whenever you are in a range bound, you just need to understand one thing, that market is most probably 70-80% time it is not going to move out the zone. Let me explain. Okay, so let's see, this is a range bound area, so where the market is stuck. So most probably what will happen when the market reaches the top, it will give out the image that it is going to break in the above direction. So we'll be tempted to buy from there. So this is the wrong idea. Again, when the market comes down, it will give the image that now I'm going to break below. So it won't happen. Again, the market will stay in this range bound area. Mostly gold leaves the range bound area when a certain news comes. Like today's CPI is coming, so there is a high probability that the market might break from this range bound area on CPI. But again, the range bound area was built in 2 days, so we could expect that the market would make some good moves on the CPI, but again come back and will get stuck in this range bound area. So now the question arises, where is the top of this range bound area and where is the bottom? So first of all, let us go and plot the top. So this would be the top. Okay, and we're not considering this the top because this would be considered as a fake candle, and for the safe side, because in the range bound area, if we're considering let's say we're considering this top, so there's a high probability market might come to only test this area and then come back, and we won't be able to profit from that. And again, now we need to find the bottom. So from what I can see is that this would be the perfect bottom, because this would be considered fake. So now what we do and how will we do it? So first of all, we need the market to respect this area, and as soon as it starts going back in the upward direction, we will give out a signal in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Do join that. I'll keep repeating that throughout the video so that you guys could join the Telegram channel, and I could keep reminding you that the signals that are given there are completely free, and our success rate has been quite good. So do benefit from that. So again, now you might get the idea now that the market has come up all the way up. So now it should most probably come down. But again, as you can see, the candles that are coming down, honestly, do you see the strength in this candle? Do you think that these candles are strong enough to break towards the downside? Of course, we will consider that in the worst scenario, in the possible scenario, there's a high possibility that market could come down, make a fake, and then come up again and then move towards the upside. So this is another possibility, but right now we're not going to talk about that unless and until the market breaks out of this zone. So today is CPI, and before CPI the market gets like a little bit annoying, and 2-3 days we were able to book some good profits. So whenever you are able to book some good profits, you need to take yourself slow. So we're going to get slow, we're going to wait, we're going to trade very small within this range bound. It seems like a perfect opportunity because the market is going to go up and then come down. At least this is a 200 pips area. So we will try to capture as many pips as possible. So now moving down on the BTC, and again, if you want to capture those moves with me, you just need to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. On the BTC, we were discussing about this triangle, and the market is now broken above it. And more so ever, the market also has respected this support area, which was previously the resistance area. And this is an important resistance support area because when it was resistance, we can see then huge rejections towards the downside. Now again we are getting the rejection from the towards the top side, and we already have a signal running in the Telegram channel, and we're expecting the market to go to $117,000, and our stop loss is something around this area. So it's basically a 1:2 trade, and the reason we give out sometimes a small stop loss is too big on BTC is because there could be a stop loss hunt and things like that. So in case, and my ideology, my strategy is that in spite of getting stopped out and entering again, you just go for the bigger stop loss and use the small lot size accordingly. So that's a good idea and a safe way to play. Again, on the GBPUSD, we can see the market is also range bound. So right now from here we can see that we can expect the market to come down, test this area, which is a probable W. So we can expect the market to continue and respect this bottom neckline before going towards the upside. But again, it's GBPUSD, and while the market is stuck in this area, either it needs a closure below this or above this. We are not going to trade on GBPUSD. Yes, we could take a buy trade from here and we could place the stop loss around this point, but with GBPUSD already being too volatile, and if we take like uncertain trades on GBPUSD, what will happen? We'll be waiting for 5-6 hours, and after that, when the stop loss gets hit, we're like emotionally we get frustrated. So I need to understand myself, and you need to understand yourself, that in trading you need to avoid to get frustrated, because if you're going towards the path where you think that when the frustration comes I'll control myself, that never happens. That never happens with me. I don't know about you guys, but mostly it doesn't happen. So if you understand the analysis, we discuss the market every day, and I try to make this video as educational as possible and try to explain all the aspects that I see, and to help you understand, help you see the trades that I give out there is a reason behind them. I want you guys to know what I'm thinking and everything. And if you want to follow the signals, you can join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And that's all for today, because the market is mostly in range bound area. BTC is going towards the upside. So now we'll see how we will be able to earn in the gold market when the market is range bound. That's all for today.